This says 300 on it, which is, hell if I know. That would be nice, wouldn't it? A DJ Mix 2. We'll have to set that aside. We got a mixer, MXR bypass. Okay. And they want a train set, $75. And then we also got that. That's not nothing. And that's a magnet. That's a hell of a price for this train set. What do you got? Oh, it's heavy. That's heavy, but I don't know if 75 is the money though. Plastic and metal. No, that is definitely not the price on that. But I'll run that in my whatnot, and I'll probably put those in my whatnot too. But that's just how I do it. Run them. $1 starting bid. What else is in here? Is this just a piece of wood? Yes it is. Okay, what do I have here? This is a Boss Delay Machine DM100. They had a $350 price tag on it. Been sitting for years. The question is, does it work? I don't know. That's the question. So that they're calling that $600, just right there in those two things. And then we got, what do we have here? Student size guitar. That's crap. So that's junk. We got a Marquise, handcrafted. Junk too. Those are $5, $10 a piece at the flea market. Lucky. We'll be lucky if we get that. We got a bunch more 45s here. I don't know much about them. They're really dirty. The lady, the turtles, the original Cadillacs. Looks like maybe some money right here. This isn't looking too promising. It's a Yamaha 100 B212. It looks to be heavily used. Well, it's been sitting. It's been sitting for a while, so we can't really consider this to be too much money. But I'm gonna look it up right here. They wanted $250 on that one. Yeah, that one actually is. It depends on if it's made in San Francisco or not. Let's see here. Trademark, I can't tell. Whenever they're made, you have to look that number up. So this one's a little nicer. I don't know if I can put that on whatnot, but maybe.
Got a little light on it. This is an extra piece, right? Or no, it's factory.
Definitely worth 40, 50, but could be 200. I wonder what's in there. That's the money?
Fax machine?
No, it looks like a cash register, but I don't want it to be a cash. Oh, it is a freaking cash register. They had a business, huh? Not a very good one.
Could have been a very good one. They had a pool table and what?
I don't even think that's worth money, guys. We're just gonna load it. Weirdest unit right here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to grab this. I told you there was a freaking violin in here, and I dropped it. You thought I was kidding. Let's see what we got.
Looks like you stopped bought yourself some gloves this morning.
I found them at the warehouse because I knew this was dusty.
Well, you didn't bother telling me.
I brought some rubber ones over there for you.
I got man hands.
Ton May. That might be something. Maybe. Never heard of it.
Alameda.
Got any violins?
Yeah, you're one friend.
I might have to go to Alameda this month with the other unit I got. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes.
Yeah, those things you can carry right to the road.
Alright. That's kind of nice.
Man hands.
We're just taking that right to stock. Let one of the Alameda sellers buy it from us.
I really don't know what kind of bike it is.
There's a chain on it.
Yeah, I don't have a clutch right at the moment.
What's that mean?
That's how you should use.
Can't switch gears.
Yeah, it's in neutral.
I just wanted you to let's explain that for everybody who don't know about
It's in
motorcycles.
neutral, thank God for that. We do have a plus there. I don't know if this is original tank or not. I'm not sure. I can't tell what it says.
They wanted $1,000 for that.
Huh?
They wanted $1,000 for it. It's an old BSA.
It's a BSA?
I think
That's
so.
a left-hand,
Motor Minarelli.
it's a small bike. It looks like a BSA, I guess. Has a left-hand kick.
I don't know.
Let's see if it has any compression.
Oh, it almost started up, guys.
It does. I wish I could make some good motorcycles. That's it.
Brum, 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 brum.
This could be a good item. This only has 900. Wait a minute. This only got 954 miles on it. What do you think?
954.
What it says.
Huh. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Do you think this is
You
wise?
know what? The clutch cable's actually only unhooked.
Yeah, it's just unhooked. I knew you did that wrong. This thing probably fires right up, right? Just pull the spark plug out, wipe it down with a little wire brush. This baby's good to go. Street legal.
You know what? You got just the guys over by your warehouse to check it out.
Oh yeah. What is in here? Oh, Jerry Hampton. Who is Jerry Hampton? Is that a musician? He signed it. Jerry Hampton. That is not worth much right there at all. One more gem, 2 more gems coming out, it looks like. 2 more gems. All right, let's see if we can safely get this out, Uncle Mike.
What?
That right there. Without dropping the piece in the back.
I ain't scared.
I didn't say you're scared. I just want to see if you can do it without breaking it.
Okay.
Those are in good shape, huh?
It's complete, I want to say. Just a matter of reupholstering.
It's usable. What do you guys think about this? Should I be selling this? I'm going to try to get rid of it. I'm literally trying to get rid of it. I got it for free on Marketplace. There's a one-piece sleigh. I think we're going to come back tomorrow and literally just take it to the dumps with the truck.
Was this the seat for that bike?
It's probably a replacement seat. Think there's any rats in here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You scared of a rat?
No, I'm not scared of them at all.
Why would you ask?
I just want to catch it on film if it comes for you.
I don't have a lot of strength right now.
Guys, Uncle Michael's falling apart. Look at him. We're getting this on camera.
I've been out of work for 3 months. It happens, like you said the other day on one of your things. If you don't use it, you lose it. I'm a firm believer.
You should be doing push-ups every day. What's wrong with it?
I usually don't do that kind of stuff. I'm always so busy.
You could be doing a prison workout. Look at that acoustic 8-sip. I was lucky to get 20 bucks for that. Like, I thought this might be a gem. This is freaking straight going to the dumps. No one's even going to buy that in Stockton, bet. I'm not even going to get 20 bucks
know
for
a little
that.
more about it.
Who? No,
With the speaker,
that's
like-
freaking crap. That's crap.
Okay, well.
Let's go. Well, now we just need to see. This is the last gem here, guys, and then we have to figure out what we got. Could this be the gem right here of all gems? Last moment of truth here. We already have one kind of gem on the motorcycle. I think this will, hopefully this record player is something gemmy.
See what kind of music they're playing back in the day.
Oh. It is kind of cool because of this. See this word right here? The Seaberg.
Seaberg.
Yeah, that is not a bad one. I don't know if it's the
some
right.
of them songs. Honky Tonk, I know that.
Oh, Pretty Woman. Roy Orbison.
Oh, these are old ones.
Yeah. I don't know. It's a Seaberg 100. That's
A lot of
one
Roy
thing.
Orbison.
One thing I know is the Seabergs are money, but this thing needs a little love. You know what I mean? This thing hasn't been used in a couple. Look at the back is missing. That's probably what that thing is, huh? Now that I think about it.
Elvis Presley, dude. I got you.
No.
I got you big. Does that say dime?
Uncle Michael wants to know the value of that. What does that say?
Dime?
It doesn't say dime at all. It says like coins. It says coins.
Coin.
It looks like nickels and dimes, though, doesn't it?
It does.
That looks like nickels and dimes. I don't see. I don't know. This is a true gem. I don't think you understand. This is a gem.
I think it is too.
It sucks that it's all beat up and whooped like this, but it's really, somebody will spend like $1,000 to restore this thing and it'll be gemmy. Pirates, we're making money right here. 200 bucks. This is my friend right here. He's got a shop in me. World renowned motorcycle man right here.
Hey, what's happening,
Introduce
guys?
yourself. What's your
My
name?
name is Ryan Grossman from Martinez, California. Just finished eating, so
That's
sorry
all
about
good. And what's your Instagram for?
that. 3G Nuck.
3G Nuck. This
Yeah,
guy
finished.
does some amazing stuff.
Thank you. Yeah, vintage motorcycles from the 1920s to late 60s. And this is out of my wheelhouse, but I just want this fender. I build a lot of choppers. This is like an English style Wassel fender. So I'm just gonna, I just made an offer to buy this one piece off the bike. And my friend's buying this Smith's Speedo off of it.
Yeah, so we got 200 bucks back out of a $560 storage unit. And also, anybody in the world has vintage Harley stuff, message that guy on Instagram because I
3G
promise
Nuck, hit me up.
he's
Yeah,
the
I'll buy
guy.
your stuff. Looking for panheads, knuckleheads, flatheads, shovelheads, any of the old stuff, chopper parts, crazy stuff.
He will literally fly to Korea right now to get one too. He's not even playing around.
Yep.
He's that serious
Wherever
about
we
it.
gotta go.
You know it's best if you never mess with storage auction pirate. Subscribe.